With unwavering dedication and exceptional academic excellence, she has earned a distinct honor. Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Lorraine Aveniente with high honors for her words of gratitude.
Distinguished guests, esteemed faculty, proud parents, and most importantly, my fellow completers, a pleasant morning. Today marks a significant milestone in our lives, and I am honored to stand before you to express my heartfelt gratitude. To our parents, family, and friends, we thank you for your unwavering support, love, and encouragement throughout our academic journey. Your guidance and sacrifices have shaped us into the individuals we are today. Education is the foundation upon which we build our future. It is the key that unlocks the doors to opportunities, personal growth, and societal progress. As we stand at the threshold of this new chapter in our lives, we are reminded of the significance of education and the gratitude that comes with it. Year 2016, 10 years ago, I transferred to Lavillan Bajang Elementary School. Grade 1 learner pa lang ako that time. I started my preschool at Nasugbu, Batangas. When I transferred, I experienced bullying. Iba ang pagtrato sa akin sa mga fellow learners ko, ay syempre, mas gwapa ako kay Nanda. But, I won't go deeper with that. Mas importante kung paano ako nag-grow tulad. I remember my life back then was just woke up, go to school, sleep, and repeat. I can say that I have a happy childhood because of those persons who gave me a not so good experience. That time, I felt so different. I sometimes wonder kung nag-aalain ako sa iban. I can feel that I belong to the group. But they don't affect me anymore. A challenge only become an obstacle when you bow to it. Habal ganit nila, what doesn't kill you makes you stronger. I am a strong, independent woman now. I am proud of what I have become despite of the judgment and trials I face. Kaya ko na ipapugal si Iban kung paano ako nag-grow throughout the years. I remember when the COVID-19 starts, I am just a little girl. I am just a grade 5 learner. When the COVID-19 took place in our country, our life changed. I remember that time manok moving up ceremony na. I am excited to walk in the stage and wear the medal that I gave my best to earn it. But suddenly, everything changed. Happy pa kita tuligad kay wala klase for 1 week. Pero we all doesn't know nga ang 1 week nga suspension maging almost 3 years. Sang nag-modular kita, I've never stopped learning. I always try to understand the modules. Even though kabudlay, kaya syempre, naanad kita may gatindog na teacher sa tanga kaya na-explain sa aton tanan. But sadly, my efforts is not enough. Daw hindi ko mabaton to, pero I promise to myself na mabawi ako. Nga if magbalik na ang face-to-face class, itry ko gid ang best ko. Ang third naton nga graduation, which is our graduation on grade 6, was done using technology and social media. Madumduman ko pa, mag-record lang ang welcome remarks ko that time, tas gin-compile with the other speech, tas gin-post sa Facebook. I am crying pa sang time nga to kay as a child who wants to make my mama proud. Handom ko nga magsaka sa stage with my mom nga mapasuksok sa akong sa medals, and now my heart is full of joy because the dream of mine finally came true. I can finally wear the medals that I gave my best with the help of my number one inspiration, my mother. Now, I'm here in front of you as your class valedictorian with high honors, standing before you today wearing the medals that I have spent my time and effort. To the grade 10 Carnelian, my homies, to my special friends, Micah,
Ala. Ala. Ay, bet ako ni Kuder. Ana. Delay the game.
to my special friends, Micah, Mary Shine, Patricia, Jillian, Trixie, Charis, Edelweiss, Clarence, at sa iba nga wala ako nalawag, thank you for the meaningful memories. I know nga magkirita na ipakita next school year, but it will never be the same. Next school year, we will be senior high school already. We will no longer be the grade 10, but I know nga in our senior high school life, there will be more opportunities for us. Kyla and Julian, ginawa ko rin yan. To my two homies in this section of Carnelian this school year, thank you for being there for me. Thank you for not making me laugh out. The memories of three of us will always have space on my head to talagas. For the Kagawa group, thank you for being the new member of our circle. And the most importantly, to my Jinling 4, Joeline,
Oh no.
Rotterdam, Shane, and Mark.
Markay.
We started our friendship when we were grade 8. And look at us now, we have a strong connection.
Oh my God.
Hindi na to mahambal na we will be with each other forever, but I know that the five of us will always remember the things na experience na to. Our friendship may won't last forever because of millions of changes and opportunities in this world. But the memories we've made will always be in our heart and mind forever. Good luck for our next journey, my Junior 4. To the persons who make my junior high school journey, to the teachers, especially Mom Rona, we will always be your homies.
Guyog ang lima ko.
Your Subang and your Daffodil.
Ano yan? Ha?
Hindi ko na pag-isa-isa ko ng memories na ginmate natin as a whole, eh syempre, malagutan kita alas 6. Ma'am Ro, thank you for all. Your efforts truly help for what we are today. To my mama, lola, lolo, tito, titas, manong, and jam-jam, thank you for being my kakampi. Thank you for understanding my struggles on ACADS. I know my family kita ko whenever ako papalitan, even in the worst moment of my life. Thank you for being there for me as I step on the next journey, our on the senior high school life, I know that you will always be there for me. I will be always grateful for all the support. Lastly, to the young Messi Lorraine, thank you for being strong. I can finally say that we made it. Natapos naton ang 10 ka school years. Malayo na, pero malayo pa. Every night, I always thank God kay ginatagan ako kaaraw. And I am hoping na magamit ko siya in the best that I can. I sometimes regret nga wala ko ginatag yung best ko once na may ginubra ako ng isa ka bagay, but I'm always trying to be the best version of myself. I'm always be thankful for the opportunities na nag-shape sa akin kung ano man ako klase estudyante tulad. To my fellow completers of batch 2025, I, as your curriculum president, wants to give you advice. And I hope na bisan sa anong bagay, madumduman yung gidya.
Gagundog lima.
Always do your best. We have a famous kasabihan nga nasa huli ang pagsisisi. But if we are doing our best, there will be no regret at the end. Once na ginhatag naton ang tanan nga makaya naton, bisan ano pa nga resulta ang aton makuha, we won't regret because we know that in the first place, we've done our best. As we close this chapter and embark our new adventures, let us remember that our education is not just a foundation for our future, but a catalyst for a change. Let us use our knowledge, skills, and experiences to make a positive impact in the world. To the persons na nag-help sa amon kung ano man kami tulad, teachers, our fellow learners, and our parents, madamo nga salamat. Step on our senior high school life. I am Messi Lorraine Aviñante with my own kasabihan in life, nagpadayon, nagapadayon, kag magapadayon. Once again, good morning.